Good evening everyone, especially to you ma'am. My name is King James C. Dimpaso from BS Cream Block A. My topic today, anthropological perspective about national identity. A nation is a group of people built on the premise of shared customs, tradition, religion, language, art, history, and more. National identity refers to the identity or feeling of belongingness to one state or nation. Robert Emerson, a political science, defines it as the body of people who feel that they are a nation. National identity is socially constructed. It is influenced and shaped by material and non-material cultures. Material cultures such as the national flag, emblem, or seal is representative of all the people who, for example, national flag of the Philippines, seal of the Republic, Philippines, eagle, national animal, carabao. When you see this, you immediately associate them with being a Filipino. Kagaya ng example, pambansang watawat ng Pilipinas, sagisag ng Republika, pambansang hayop ng kalabaw, pambansang ibon na agila. Kapag nakita mo ang mga ito, agad mong naiugnay sa pagiging Filipino mo. Ang pambansang pagkakilanlan ay bunga ng pagbuo ng lipunan. Ito ay na-impluwensyahan at hinuhubog ng mga material at di material na kultura. Ang mga material na kultura tulad ng pambansang watawat, sagisag o tatak ay sumisimbolo sa lahat ng tao bumubuo nito. Bale, yan yun, sila yung siyempre pag makita mo yung flag, nagiging simbolo yung pagiging Filipino mo, national flag of the Philippines. Pag nakita mo, example, nakita mo din yung mga Philippine Eagle. Diyan, sumisimbolo na isa kang Filipino. My topic is about Brian Morris. Brian Morris explained that we should not dismiss how indigenous communities classify plants and animals. Their knowledge comes from long experience with nature. Example, ang sabi dito ni Brian Morris, ipinaliwanag ni Brian Morris na hindi natin dapat baliwalain ang paraan na pagkilala ng mga katutubo sa mga halaman at hayop. Ang kanilang kaalaman ay nagmula sa mahabang panahon pakisama kalikasan. At yan lang po at maraming salamat. Thank you Ma'am Ophelia and God bless.